packing up, getting ready to leave to Mexico because we're leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow to school, or actually we'll be gone by the time I upload that vlog. Really? No. But yeah, by the time I upload tomorrow's vlog, I told you guys we're actually going to Mexico for my aunt's wedding. She's having a wedding, so we're gonna go to the wedding, and it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna have some fun. My cousin's down there that I haven't seen in a while, but not my cousin, friend. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna need 3 nice outfits, and then just some extra, like 2 extra clothes. And tomorrow, I believe, it's not today, I'm actually ordering my Apple Watch. I decided I'm gonna get one. It's gonna be cool to get one. And I think that's gonna be pretty fun to have. Tell me if you think that. It's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, guys, so I more or less kind of got what I'm having. So just a relaxed day clothes. When I get there, clothes, because I'm gonna go hang out with some friends. Clothes for school tomorrow. I need to get a shirt for that. And then I got these 2 pair of pants that I'm gonna wear just for nice days. But I also have these 2 pair of gray pants that I'm gonna get washed. So I'm counting those as if they were here, because those are right downstairs pretty much. And so yeah, I'm just kind of getting this ready more or less. Guys, I just found my old case. I used to have this case for my phone until I got the Rhino Shield one. So I bought it from the dollar store. It reminds me, it's not sponsored or anything, but Rhino Shield, they sell cases, they sell different lenses I can put on my phone. They're a real good company. Their stuff, like their screen protectors, are real strong. I've tested it out on my own phone. But so they're really nice cases. I would highly recommend you pick one up. They're real nice. It's not sponsored or anything. Hey guys, so I'm gonna make some Starburst slime just because it's some edible Starburst slime just for fun, because I have really nothing else to do. So this is just gonna be part of the vlog. It's gonna be pretty fun. So what you're gonna need is you need some powdered sugar and some Starburst to make this edible slime. Okay guys, so I got all these Starburst right here from Halloween, and I'm just gonna put this in this cup right now. So I guess I'm just gonna time lapse this. I kind of just squeeze it ahead and just put all the Starburst in here. I was going to do more, but that's all I'm going to do just for today, just because it's going to be a little easier to do. We're going to put them in the microwave. I would recommend doing 10 seconds and then stirring it. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so when it's done, it should look a little like this. It's all, like, melted and stuff. It's kind of real soft. And now what you're going to need is some powdered sugar. And just kind of put that on the surface you're working at a little bit so it doesn't stick. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to pretty much just try scooping it out of here. Quick, don't touch it. You might burn yourself. I don't want any of you guys getting burnt. If you're going to do this part, probably just get some adult supervision or something. It's just hanging there. Get out. Okay, and then you do that. And you're done. Just wash this so that it doesn't make a mess. Okay guys, so I'm trying to bit by bit just like touch it because it's real hot. It's really hot, so I'm just bit by bit kind of just trying to put the powdered sugar into it. And if you put the powdered sugar into it, don't put too much because then it will like dry this out. But let's just keep going bit by bit. Sugar, putting it on. I'm just going to do the pull and fold method. It's kind of late right now. It gets all dark over here. It gets dark around like 6 p.m. or a.m. I don't know. I think it's better if I just have my face in here. Just stand on my knees. It's kind of hot right now. That's why it's good to put powder on your finger so it doesn't stick. It's still kind of warm in my hands, but it's getting there. Probably don't do that. It's all over the I'm gonna try getting it off. Okay, that's looking pretty good, guys. So I'm kind of just have it done now. And this is Starburst edible slime. Let's take a taste test. 3, 2, do this. 3, 2, 1. That's good. I'll make a stretch and everything just like slime. Alright, so this stuff is actually really fun. I've been playing with it for a while now. Excuse me. So it's like real good. I like eating it. Good, tastes good. If you do ever make this, I recommend you probably use some cornstarch in it just to thicken it up a little bit. It'll prevent it from getting dry faster, because it will dry out eventually. It is literally just Starburst. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you think that making that slime is cool. We're gonna wrap this vlog up. That slime, pretty good, tastes good. It's awesome, fun to play with. I'm gonna make another one down in Mexico. Probably do a gummy bear one, mix candies, experiment, make some fun slimes for you guys. Probably do a collaboration with Alex. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Alex. We're tight in subscribers. We both have 57. So go give him some love. Subscribe to my channel. Let's try to get 5 likes on this video. Yeah, I think we could do that. That's easy for 57 subscribers. Or should we go a little higher and do 10? Let's get 10 likes on this video. See you guys next time. Bye.